Bobby, Bobby, Bobby!
Hi, and welcome back to Bobby's Kombucha Corner. This week we're going to make 3 exciting flavors of kombucha that are inspired by the springtime. So you can drink some healthy and fresh flavors to match this time of year. Even if you guys are inside, you can still enjoy the spring with some delicious kombucha. We'll be making 3 flavors: blueberry ginger fizz, pineapple basil, and last but not least is a mint mojito flavor. Everyone, I hope you are all staying safe and staying inside, but while you're inside you can brew some kombucha like the 3 flavors we'll have today. And also, they'll all have some healthy ingredients in them to help with your immunity. So let's get brewing. To make all these flavors, you'll need kombucha that's just finished its first fermentation. If you don't know how to do this, see my video on how to brew a basic batch of kombucha that I'll link in the comments. So the first flavor we have is gingerberry fizz. It is a sweet and tangy flavor. The blueberries have antioxidants which can help boost your immune system. And the ginger has immunity boosting properties as well. The ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons of blueberries, a half lemon or about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of ginger grated, and a half teaspoon of honey. So grate your ginger, then squeeze your lemon, add your blueberries and honey, and then mix it all up into a nice puree. Then add it to your 16-ounce long neck bottle, and then add your kombucha liquid, leaving 1 to 2 inches of space at the top of the jar. The next flavor we'll be making is pineapple basil. It is very tropical and refreshing. And the basil and pineapple both have a lot of vitamins that are good for your immune system. So you'll need 2 tablespoons of pineapple and 1 tablespoon of basil. First, chop up the basil, and then chop up the pineapple into chunks. Then puree your ingredients. I used a blender, but you can use a food processor, blender, or anything you have. Add the puree to your 16-ounce glass jar, and then add the kombucha liquid on top, leaving 1 to 2 inches of space. Last but not least, we'll make mint julep flavor. It is minty and citrusy, and the lemon and orange both have vitamin C to boost your immune system. That'll be 2 tablespoons of grape, 1 tablespoon of mint, 1 teaspoon of orange, and 1 teaspoon of lemon. So first chop your mint, then squeeze your orange and your lemon into the mixture, then add your grapes and mash up the entire mixture using whatever tool you have at your disposal. Then add the mixture to your bottle and add your kombucha on top, leaving 1 to 2 inches of space. So now that you've bottled all your flavors, it's time to store your bottles in a dark, warm place of the house for about 4 days. After that, it's time to give them a taste. Cheers! Very gingery.
Yeah, it's like that Hawaiian punch. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm. With the little guy on it?
Yeah. Cheers!
Taste the basil.
It tastes like pineapple soda.
Mm-hmm.
Well, like naturally flavored pineapple soda.
Yeah, do you taste the basil?
What? Yeah, I taste it.
Let's try it.
Wow, that's complex.
Yeah, I taste the mint for sure. It tastes a little like grape juice with mint, but carbonated.
It tastes like alcohol.
Is this our
so
favorite?
We say it. Yeah, we say our favorite.
Our favorite? Okay.
3, 2, 1. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Okay. Good job.
All right, second favorite?
3, 2, 1. Gingerberry.
I like the pineapple one because the basil was like a good kind of savory quality to balance out the sweetness. And then I like the mint julep because I like the mintiness and the other flavors blended well together. This one's good. I just wish it was fizzy.
My favorite was, my top favorite was the pineapple because I fucking love pineapple, so. I like pineapple everything. Second favorite was this one because it reminds me of Hawaiian Punch. And then third is the mint julep because it does not taste like mint julep or kombucha to me. So, well, it tasted like a white wine.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe. We'll have more flavors every so often, and then we'll have different kombucha tips and trying different things every week.